How to make money on Facebook? I'm going to answer this question today. Just got back to Bangkok because I had an appointment here, as you can see. Let me close the door. So I'm going to share with you how you can make money on Facebook. Full disclosure, I'm not going to talk about how to do Facebook ads and sell products with advertising on Facebook. I'm going to share with you how you can make money with no investment, with no experience, and with nothing. Like basically you can just start today and make money on Facebook. So before going to that, if you don't know me yet, I'm a multi-six-figure entrepreneur. I've been doing online business since 2016, and I've been able to travel the world using the money that I made online, basically. So this, what I'm going to share is based on my experience. It's not like some stuff that I read in a book and I put in a YouTube video. It's based on real experience. So how to sell on Facebook? You need two important things. You need first to define your subject, your like what niche. I recommend to go niche and to pick a niche. Like you cannot sell anything to everybody. Like you have to focus on something and develop some expertise about some subject. So what I would do is pick a niche, whatever it can be, maybe something you're passionate about. Like for me, it's music production. I'm a music producer, as you can see this. It's just the piano here that my phone is sitting on. And so pick a niche, like it could be anything where people are spending money in this market, where people are trying to solve problems in this market, where the target audience have enough means to pay for a product or for a service. Like you don't want to sell stuff to children or to like students because they most of the time don't have any money. So that's a thing to take in mind. So maybe you're passionate about golf, about fitness, about whatever, like weight loss, so many subjects you can target. So once you get your niche, you make a Facebook group. What is great with Facebook group is that you can invite other people to your group. Now, are you going to fill up your group with potential buyers, with people that are going to buy stuff? In any subject or in any niche, there are already groups out there, like community groups with people sharing advice and just, building relationship between each other and like talking about their passion or like their problem. So you're going to go into those groups and basically help people. That's as simple as it is. Like just go out there and help people. Like you go see all the posts that are in all of those groups. Like let's say your niche is like golf. There must be like tens of groups about like golf passionate, golf enthusiasts out there. You just join those groups and you start to answer the question that people are asking. You start to try to help people, whatever you can do for them. Once you help them, you add them as a friend on your profile on Facebook. Because once you start helping someone, it builds some kind of reciprocity. Like if you really help them with like a genuine intention of adding value and giving value to those person and like really helping them, no intent of selling or whatsoever, like those people will trust you. Because when someone helps you with no intent of selling you something, you will trust them and you will also want to pay them back in some manner or some other. So that's the first step. Build some value, gain some momentum, go to join other groups, add people in those groups, help them. Don't go like spam some links in the group. That's not working. Like you need to do some genuine social selling, meaning like you want to add value. You want to help people. That's the root of everything. Okay, so once you get that, you basically invite the people that you've helped, that you've added on friend, invite them into your own group. And then that's it for the traffic. Now that you have the traffic on Facebook, you need to find a way to monetize this traffic. Like let's say you fill your group with people in a certain niche, in a certain industry. Now you have to figure out how to make money from your group, how to make money from that. And there's different way you can do it. The first thing you can do is to create an online course. So basically you're going to like ask to those people, maybe you can post in your group, like what is the number one problem that prevents you from solving this or to get this goal. Let's say for example, I'm in music production, so like the number one problem is how to make a good melody and how to sound like the pros. Like that's the number one problem. So a good course for that, a good online course, and actually my bestseller course is like how to make beats like the pro. Like basically that's the value proposition of one of my best-selling course. It's just to give you an example, guys. Maybe your niche is like weight loss, and you can make a weight loss is kind of broad, so you want to focus on one part of weight loss. Would be like weight loss without taking supplements, or with certain type of diet. So then you can make a course like how to gain muscles without taking supplement in 30 days. That's a good value proposition. Of course, you have to deliver what you're promising, but yeah, that's an online course that you can do. It's simply like a series of video, step-by-step process that people have to follow, and then when they follow the process, they watch all the video, they take action, they get the desired result that they paid for. So in terms of pricing, it depends on the value you deliver. Let's say you selling to like mass market, like broad audiences, like weight loss, like fitness, stuff like that, personal development, whatever. Most of the time, the price range would be like 97 to 297. For example, like me in music production, I'm selling my course at 397 euros. So that's quite high for this type of market. You want to do that because, yeah, I mean, it's hard to get a customer. So if you got a customer, make sure that you are going premium, because, yeah, you'll make more money basically. And if you want to scale in the future with ads and stuff like that, you will have more margin to be able to spend on advertising. So that's a thing that you can do, a course. So if you don't want to make a course by yourself, or maybe you don't have that much expertise, or you're shy, you don't want to show yourself in videos on social media. I mean, first you can record your screen, or it can be like audio program. Like it doesn't need to be like you speaking like I'm doing right now. It can be just like exercise that they have to take, whatever. The people just want the result. They don't really care about like if it's a video or if it's like a screen recording or like a PowerPoint. They don't really care. But if you don't want to do a course for whatever reason, you want to start selling right now, you don't have time for building a course, you can start by promoting some other people's course using like affiliate marketing. You go on ClickBank, you can make an account, and then you go on ClickBank Marketplace, and you look for like the best selling offers in any particular niche that you have in mind. So you can see like the best converting offer that are there, and basically you will promote some other people's product, and every time that someone is buying their product using your link, you get a commission. Now, what is interesting with affiliate, and specifically like promoting course that someone else did, is that you can get high commission, which is good, because let's say like Amazon affiliate, you'll get like a 5-10%, so that's not much. But with affiliate, you can get like 50% commission, sometimes even up to 70% commission. So that's pretty good. Let's say you can find an offer in any niche for like $100, sometimes even more. If you get 50% of that, that means every time you make a sale, it's like $50 for you, and that's good, because to make like, if you want to replace your salary, maybe you're making like 2,000 USD a month. Let's say you have an offer that pay you a commission of $50. You only need 40 people a month to make a living just on Facebook, and you don't need much time to do that. Like maybe 1 hour a day, you go, you add people, you add value, and then you post on your group. Make sure your group is active. Make sure like you building some momentum, you building some trust, because for people to buy something from you, they need to trust you, and this trust is built if they see that you persistent, that you keep being there and adding value. You're not like someone that come and goes. Like you need to be consistent, what the word I was looking for. So yeah, you can promote an online course using affiliate marketing. Or you can promote anything. Let's say if in your niche there's like software, there's like whatever that there's an affiliate program for, you can promote that as well. Like for in music production, there are like some specific software that we use. Let's say like internet marketing, there's software like a mailing responder, like I don't know, MailChimp, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, ClickFunnels. They have a good affiliate program as well. So that's one thing. Now the third thing that you can do is to basically sell physical product doing dropshipping basically. This is a good way to get some free traffic, some sales without using Facebook advertising. And what is even cool is that you can even promote your product on the marketplace on Facebook for free. Like people on the marketplace, they are looking to buy stuff, so that's the best type of customer that you're looking for. But let's say let's say your niche is cooking or like a keto diet or stuff like that. Maybe you can sell them like an ebook, or maybe like you can sell to them some accessory for cooking. Like you can find a supplier, maybe go on AliExpress, Alibaba, find some best-selling product in the cooking niche, and then just basically like show a recipe of you cooking something, and then you say, okay, I just use this accessory, blah 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 blah. You can get it there, like just buy it, and then you will make some sales like this, because if you build some rapport, if you help people in the first place, they will want to pay you back for however they can. So if it's like, if you have a product that is relevant, that it's already selling in your target market, they will want to buy it. So and all those three things I mentioned, you can combine those. Let's say you can sell your online course, and then like as an upsell of that, you can sell your physical product that help achieve the desired result with the online course. And then you can also promote a software that help achieve the desired result. It's all about like understanding in your niche, in your target market, what problem are those people facing, and then find, let's say, an affiliate offer that solve this problem, and then a physical product that solve this problem as well, and then a course, and you combine those together, and that is how you build different source of incomes. And the more offer you have, the more money you're going to make, because the hardest is to get someone to buy from you in the first place. Once you do that, if your product is good, people will trust you and they know what to expect. So if you have another product, it's really easier to sell to an existing customer than selling to a stranger. So what can make a good difference for your business, for your venture, for like side hustle? When you increase the frequency of buying. So basically it's like having new offers, because if you only have one offer, when people buy it, that's it. There's nothing else to buy anymore. But if you have multiple offers, you can make sure that the lifetime value of your customer basically will increase. So that's my recommendation to make money on Facebook. There's also other stuff that you can do, like flipping item on the marketplace. It's something that I'm not familiar with, so I'm not going to share with you. And also it require some investment, or like some truck to carry some couch and flipping couch and stuff like that. So yeah, basically that's the three main way of making money on Facebook. Personally, I've used this method with the group to promote my YouTube channel, and then I was selling online courses about music production. So it really helped me in the beginning when I was starting, because when you're growing a YouTube channel, sometimes it's like you don't get many views at the beginning. So it's good that you can just add people, like you have the control. You're not waiting for the algorithm to make your content happier somehow. Like you really have the control to add people manually and start to build the name for yourself and for your brand. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any question, you can ask me down in the comment below. I'll try to get back to you, and also please like this video if you've enjoyed. So that's pretty much it. Just want to share a bit with you the view, guys, and then I'm going to go. So see you in the next video.